What you got, buddy?
Got a fish. He's not bad. Not bad at all, Scotty.
Yeah, that's probably 8 or 9.
Simmer down, Sassafras. Simmer down.
Kind of figured they'd be up in that tree. There's a lot of leaves in these trees too.
I may have to undo this to get it. Come out of there. Not a bad first fish. Throw him back.
Yeah.
In the water he goes.
All right. I got one this time. That's nice. I got a leaf too. I guess it left now.
Supposed to leave that one alone.
I did leave that one though. Man, that's a fat guy. There you are, guys. There's my minnow. By the way, we just kind of came down to do a quick little video. We only got a few minutes before it gets dark. But we know the fish are in here, and that's kind of what we wanted to see.
Like a little booger.
Yeah, that one I had was too.
That's a small crappie. Turn my minnow off too. But I see.
Got another feisty one. It's pull and drag. I'll tell you what, guys, we could have a nice little mess. These are all nice. Yeah, that's probably another 9-incher. Now, guys, just mind you, we're going to do a video on this, and we've only got, what, 20 minutes maybe to fish before it gets dark?
Probably.
So we're going to try to get a video clip out of it. So if you guys are enjoying the content, please like, share, subscribe. By the way, I'm Crappie Scotty, and this is
The Bearded Wonder Shane.
The Bearded Wonder Shane. All right, stay tuned. We'll see what else we can get out of the next few minutes before it gets dark on us. Got another one. All right, guys, this one's probably about 6 inches. Well, I hooked him funny. There you go. Say he's about 6 inches. Found yet another one. Calm down. About the same size. About 6 or 7 inches. As normal, we're kind of fishing with bobbers and minnows. That's just what we do. Some guys are jig guys, but there's just something about watching that bobber bounce around and slowly go under that makes it fun. So I know this won't be a long video tonight, but we're headed to Clearwater. I should say we're headed to Clearwater Lake down in Piedmont, Missouri, after we leave here, and we're gonna fish there tomorrow. So we'll probably do some river fishing and or lake fishing. It just depends on where the bite's at. Got another one. It's almost dark, guys. We're trying. Calm down. Shane was just fishing that spot. He couldn't catch a fish, but I showed him how to do it. There you go. I don't know how well you can see him. Alright guys, it's been a fun time. Like I said, this was just like a little 15-20 minute video of a spot we stopped at our way to Clearwater Lake. So I'd like to thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching your Fun Fishing Adventures channel.
Bye guys.